You can too build websites like this and sell it to businesses for $1,000 to $2,000 without you needing to have any experience, and even you don't need to know how to write a single line of code. That is what I'm gonna show you in today's video. So our today's video will go like this. First, I'll be explaining you what vibe coding is. Second, I'll be showing you how you can build these apps. And third, I'll show you how you can actually monetize this in 6 different ways. So for building this app, you need to understand this popular term, what vibe coding is. Creating apps or websites without a single line of code using AI is what vibe coding is. Now, I've tried to explain it to you in the simplest way possible, and I don't think you need to know anything more about it. So now let me tell you what has changed from the old way of creating apps compared to the modern age of AI. In the old age of creating web apps, it includes analysis of what elements are required, later designing it, then planning all the workflows. Then comes the development part. After developing, it is very important to debug all the errors. After all this, we used to launch our project. All this used to take approximately 10 to 12 weeks. But with the method we will be discussing today, it will just take 3 simple steps to creating a website and publishing it. That is prompting, prototyping, and publishing. Now using AI, literally a 10-year-old kid can create and publish app. So now quickly jump into building these apps. After building the app, I'll be explaining you 6 different ways to monetize it. Stick around. Starting with the tools which are required. So we will be using ChatGPT and Bolt. Why Bolt? Just because it's user friendly and I personally use it. So let's begin with the first step, that is prompting. We can ourselves write a prompt and provide it to Bolt, but I'll suggest you to explain your idea to ChatGPT first and then ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for you. This will give you more accurate results that you want. You have to describe ChatGPT what your app is about and what are the elements do you want in your website. Then ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for you. After that, just copy the prompt, then go to Bolt and paste the prompt over there. And as one quick tip, don't forget to enhance your prompt with the option over here. After doing this, hit run and wait for a while for your app to build. Once the app is built, you can make some changes to it as you wish just by typing it over here. Trust me, this process is very easy and simple. You don't need any type of explanation for this. So I hope that now you have gotten basic idea about how to build these apps. Now let's move on to the 6 ways to monetize this. First is website builders. It's simple, like making website for businesses. You can use tools like Bold, or if you want to make some complex websites, you can use Replit. You can build websites like the online shop, office where customers can see info and book or contact. For example, a bakery website with menu plus order button. Second is creating mobile apps. Creating simple apps for phones. Tools like Bolt, Adalo, or Replit let you build apps without coding. Small businesses can have their own app on Android or iOS for customers. For example, a salon app where customers book appointments. Next is desktop apps, apps that run on Mac. These are small software programs made with tools that I mentioned before, useful for businesses that want something to run on their PC instead of just a website. Example, an invoicing desktop app for a shop owner or task tracker for employees. Fourth is coaching, teaching and guiding clients. You don't just build, you also teach them how to use AI and no code tools. This gives them confidence and builds your authority. For example, coaching a real estate agents on how to use dashboards to track their clients. Fifth is dashboards, a one screen showing all important numbers. Instead of checking 10 apps, a business owner can see everything in one page. Example, a gym owner sees total numbers, payments and class bookings on a single dashboard. The next is MVP, that is minimum viable product. It's just a basic version of a new idea. You help startups or small businesses to test new ideas quickly. Instead of spending months, you build a simple version using no code tools within days. For example, a delivery startup gets a simple order taking MVP to test before investing big. So these are the 6 different ways which you can use to start making money in the very next month. Let me quickly give you a recap. First is website builders, second is mobile apps, desktop apps, fourth is coaching, fifth is dashboards, and sixth is MVP, that is minimal viable products. Now if you like this video, you can also check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.